Whether you're simplifying equations, cancelling down fractions, there are plenty of times when you're going to need to know if a number can be divided by another number. Now for things like 2 and 5, there are obvious tricks. If it's an even number, it can be divided by 2. If it ends in a 5 or a 0, it can be divided by 5. But did you know there's a trick you can use to work out whether a number can be divided by 9? Okay, this is how it works. I'm going to take a number that I don't know off the bat whether or not it is divisible by 9, and we're going to add together the digits to see what we get at the end. If we come out with a 9, then it is divisible by 9. If we don't, then it's not. Let's choose 2,241. We'll add together the digits. We'll do 2 add 2 add 4 add 1. That gives us a total of 2 add 2 is 4, add 4 is 8, add 1 is 9. So therefore 2,241 is divisible by 9. And to prove the opposite, we'll take one that we definitely know is not divisible by 9. Let's do 62. We know that 63 is divisible by 9. 7 times 9 is 63. So 62 is our example. We do 6 add 2. That equals 8. 8 is not 9, therefore it is not divisible by 9. Now you might be thinking here that there are definitely some big numbers that won't have digits that add up to 9 but are in the 9 times table. For example, an obvious one is 999. Obviously that's divisible by 9, but if you add the digits together, you have 9 add 9 add 9. That gives you 27. 27 clearly isn't 9. However, the rule here is if you have a number that is with more than one digit, when you get to the end of this, you simply add the digits together again, and that gives us 2 add 7, which then equals 9. So therefore 999 is divisible by 9. To go over that one more time, the rule for you, you add together the digits of any number. If those digits add up to 9, it's in the 9 times table. If they add up to a number that has more than one digit, you simply add the digits together again, and if you work that down to a single digit number that is 9, it's divisible by 9. If it's any other number, it's not.